See that skin? Glass-like. That sauce? Ruby red, sweet tart, dripping over perfect pink duck. This is pan-seared duck breast with pomegranate sauce. Looks fancy. It's not. One duck breast. Score the skin. Diamonds. Cut through fat. Stop at meat. Why? Fat escape routes. More browning. Season hard. Now cold pan. Skin down. Then turn heat on. Ancient Persians knew this. Slow render equals crispy skin, not burnt fat. Trust them. While fat renders make sauce. Shallot. Garlic soft. Add 1 cup pomegranate juice, ½ cup orange, 2 tablespoons pomegranate molasses. That molasses, straight from ancient Persia. Still cuts rich duck fat like magic. Time in. Flip duck after 8 minutes. That bronze skin? Perfect. Sear flesh side 2 minutes. 130 degrees Fahrenheit internal. Medium rare. Overcook? Ruined. Rest 10 minutes. Juices need a timeout. Slice. Crunch. That pink center. Drag through sauce. Salty skin shatters. Rich duck melts. Then, bright, tart pomegranate cuts through. Sweet, tangy, perfect. Ancient wisdom on a plate. This is Food Illustrated. Enjoy the process.